Well, Ms. Price, thank you for agreeing to do a video review with us. So let's start out this way. Tell us what kind of case you had.
Accident case.
And what generally happened? Did someone rear-end you or what?
Someone hit us head on.
Okay.
Yes, they hit us head on, and my husband and I were hurt in the accident. So,
What kind of injuries did you have?
I had arm injuries, neck and back injuries. My husband had neck and back injuries.
Did we do a good job on your case?
Yes.
All right. Who was the lawyer who mainly worked with you on the case?
Graham Roberts.
And did he communicate well with you on the case?
Yes, he sure did.
Did you feel like he kept you updated and that kind of thing?
Yes, he did.
Tell us a little about it if you don't mind. Like, what was sort of the best thing about working with Graham?
The best thing with working with Graham is that he constantly communicated with us all times at every step that he made within the case. He checked in with us to make sure we were okay as well. As far as getting the money that we deserved, he worked with us with that, trying to get our dollar amount up to where we were happy.
Yeah. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Yes. I am happy. Yes.
Let's see, what else I'm going to ask you. Oh, would you recommend the Butler Law Firm to a friend or family member?
I sure would.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. It's been a pleasure working with you.
Well, thank you.
That'll wrap it up.
Okay.
Great work. Thanks.
Well, thank you very much.